There's Sam riding Mister, and me and Pablo going over a giant snowbank. There's Sam. Wait.
Cold if you ask me.
And there's a big puddle that I hope I don't drop this in.
Oh! That would make me blow trucks.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, do you remember in The Longest Yard where the guy got hit in the balls and the old guy said, "Man, that made my bubble set."
Yeah. I do remember.
I can't feel my nose. My poor schnoz.
You can't feel what?
My schnoz.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Can you feel your schnoz? Your horse is pooping. I can see it. Stop pooping now.
There it is.
Yo.
You gotta turn, Pobbs.